These cute and fun character animations were created using an all-in-one AI tool. I started with a photo of a realistic character and the AI did the rest for me. Of course, you can create any animation you want. It offers various styles for generating videos and animations, and all it takes is a simple prompt or even just some reference images. What makes this platform exciting is that it's not just a video generator, but it has a ton of features. I've previously made a video about creating consistent characters with this AI, but today we'll explore some of its other video creation features. This AI has numerous tools and can act as a complete assistant for content creators. It excels in photo and video editing, allowing you to customize your creations in any way you want. These editing options give you the freedom to be more creative and produce higher quality content. Plus, there are fun tools you can use for more playful projects. For example, you can make entertaining videos using Face Mimic, or you can try trending features like AI kissing or AI hugging. The platform's variety of features made me want to share it with you in case it might be useful for your projects. To get started, click the link in the description to visit Fodor.com and sign up. Under the AI tools section, you'll find plenty of useful features. We've already tested many of these features in previous videos and explored how they work together. Now let's move on to the video creation section and click on Image to Video. Like other generators, it offers two options, text to video and image to video. You can upload your own photo or any image you like, then choose the definition and duration. For creating cute characters, go to the Style section and select Minifigure. You can leave the prompt box empty and just hit the Generate button. I think the result turned out great. And the face was perfectly adapted from the reference character. By writing a complete prompt and clearly describing the situation, you can eliminate any issues in the video output. For the next image, I'll use a simple but incomplete prompt to show you the results. This will help you avoid wasting your credits and ensure all your outputs are usable. Here, the AI did a great job transforming the face and preserving the character's physique. However, the issue at the bottom of the image is likely due to the incomplete prompt. I've previously done another example with a complete prompt, and you can check that for comparison. If you pay attention to the prompt, you'll see that it's very simple, yet it includes all the essential details without leaving anything out. As a result, the generated animation has almost no issues and is perfectly usable. If I want to explain more about prompts for this video generator, we can try a few other fun examples. For instance, you can create funny and cute facial expressions for animals. Use this prompt in the prompt section. Make sure to set the style to original so the appearance doesn't change too much. Or you can create a fun video of rapid hair growth. Or you can use this prompt to turn your character into a singer. Additionally, there are other fun templates like AI hugging or AI kissing, which are very trendy right now. If you go to the top menu, you'll find tools for generating and editing photos and videos. One of these tools is AI Effects, which you can use to create cute characters. Simply upload a photo of a realistic character, select Minifigure, and let the tool work its magic. If you repeat this process with the same photo, you can generate different versions of the same character. After that, you can take your image to the professional editor from the top menu and do whatever you like with it. The editor offers plenty of practical tools. You can remove the background, animate the image, and more. In my opinion, if you're looking for an AI tool that's user-friendly and capable of producing and editing both images and videos efficiently, Voter is a great option. Until next time, stay creative.